Welcome back. I'm Jen from Jen's House of Six. This video is going to be a lot of white with a little bit of color at the end. Whenever I go thrifting, I always look at the dishes. I don't know if there's a certain thing that you guys always look for when you go. Everybody has like their own thing. Mine is actually several. I'm gonna show you a few things that we use almost daily. At the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how I style the things that I found. So stay tuned for that. My first find are these Ikea dishes. I don't know if they would call this a salad plate size, but they are from Ikea. They're very well made. I love the color of them. They're like kind of a pottery white, you know, like a milky, I don't know if that's how you say that. They almost could go with gray, but not really. So they're not like white, but they're really good cream color and it's a good size. I found these at a Goodwill in Turlock, California. They had several different sets of them. I wish now that I would have bought more than one set, but at the time I just bought one set of 8. They were like $6.99, something like that. They were not expensive, but I needed just this size of plate. This is a good plate, especially when you're trying to cut your portions. Instead of a regular size dinner plate, this one's a little bit smaller. So we use these a lot. One of them broke and I wish I would have got more. One of my favorite finds. Aren't these great? I just love these. Let me show you. So these are, the brand is Quality Ceramic, made in Thailand. Microwave and dishwasher safe, but look at the shape. Aren't they great? I love it's like a platter, so I don't know, when you just need it a little bit bigger than a regular dinner plate. I keep these out and we use these a lot. They're great too when you make cookies or something, but I love the color and I love, like, you guys, I bought them. Can you see the chip in them? See, it has chips. And I just love the chips in them. I know that's crazy. Like, people would be like, why would you buy? And this one's kind of got, they're all a little different. You can't see it, but it has a little bit of that right here, the crazing. And it's also chipped. And I love that. My husband's like, why do you like stuff that's like all chipped up? And I'm like, I don't know. It just gives it so much character. You know, like, who used these? What family dinner was had around them? They were a set of 7. I haven't broke one yet. I got these at a Goodwill in Manteca, California, and I want to say I paid, I think it was $8.99 for the set of 7. And I know it's an odd number, but I didn't care. I just love these so much. In the house we lived in before this house, I did a gallery wall. You call it a gallery wall, but it was with white platters. And it was so cute. We had a staircase and I just did like all different shapes and sizes of white dishes, platters on the wall, and it looked really nice. I love this one. I don't know if you guys can see it up close, but look at all of the, tell me, am I saying it right? Is it called crazing? I think that's what it is. And this one is also got little chips in it. The back is really crazed. I hope I'm saying that right. If not, I'll sound silly. I don't even know if this is like a certain brand. It says Regal on it. And then that red, I don't know if that was words, but I can't make anything out of it. But I love, you see it, how it has this beautiful little design on it. And how it's just been kind of stained with time. And it kind of makes that come out on the edges. I love this one. It's a good, you know, depth. So this is one of my ones I hung on the wall. Another one is just one step down from that other one. See how it kind of has the ornate, I don't know if you call that kind of a, I don't know, lacy detail maybe. This one has some crazing too. I don't know if you can see it good. And then you can see I had my thing on. I can still use it if I want. And then also hang it on the wall if I want to. But this one is not, let me see. This is the brand. But look at the crazing on it. It's just, I love it. Love it, love it. So cute. Love this one. It's a fun little size. And I have this thing over it so I can't, if it did have a stamp or something on it, I don't know, it doesn't show, but it has like these little roses on it, the detail on it, and you can see it's kind of been rubbed off, and of course it gives it that character that I love so much. This was also part of my gallery wall, but I use it in my kitchen to decorate with. And then if I want to use it, I love these little hanging things because I could still use it for dishes, you know, to eat off of if we want to. Those were all white or creamy, whatever you want to call them, and so I had to end with some color. So isn't this beautiful? I'm so drawn to blue and white. I love, look at the detail on this. Just gorgeous. Sorry, my face is sticking out. I just want to make sure it gets in the camera. But look at the tile even, and there's wood, this wood detail in between each tile. It's a good size too. This was very well loved, as you can see. Somebody put some hot food on it. I got this, our church was having a huge yard sale and people from the church just donated all their stuff to raise money. A family in the church donated this, and I had shared a picture of it on Facebook or Instagram, and one of my friends commented and said, "That was my brother's. I'm so glad you got that." It just makes it more special, like you kind of know where it came from. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I'm like in so much shock, like I can't even believe it. You guys are just so supportive. I really appreciate the interaction. It just makes my day. Thank you guys for being here. I look forward to many more videos and a lot more thrifting with you guys. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.